Want a smartwatch but don't know where to start? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're putting Apple Watch Series 11 and Apple Watch SE 3 head-to-head to see which one truly stands out. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one is worth your attention. Let's get into it. Technical specifications. Comparative analysis. Talking about the materials and build, the Apple Watch Series 11 comes in aluminum and premium titanium with a refined, durable design, while the Apple Watch SE 3 sticks to a lighter, budget-friendly aluminum build. Display and sizes. Series 11 offers larger 42mm and 46mm models, with an Always-On Retina OLED display and improved scratch resistance, while the SE 3 comes in smaller 40mm and 44mm sizes with an always-on display, but simpler glass protection. Battery and storage. Series 11 delivers up to 24 hours of use and runs on Apple's newest chip with 64GB of storage, while the SE 3 offers around 18 hours with the same chip tier, but fewer high-end capabilities and 32GB storage. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.